Hello traders, welcome back to our official YouTube channel Option Bull, and in today's video we are going to talk about our today's trade, and we are also going to talk about what was the logic behind our today's trade. And I will also say before taking the trade I actually explained the analysis for my today's trade on the Telegram, and with this let's start today's video. So guys, in today's videos we spotted a wonderful opportunity in the bank nifty today. Okay, so before moving toward the trade, I would like to show you something in this chart. So if you see the DAX, so I woke up around 12 p.m. and I was checking the price action for the different charts like bank nifty and nifty, and I was also checking the behavior of the pharma sector and IT sector. So I found out overall all are moving negative today, and IT was moving up. But when the DAX market opened, I saw there is a huge gap down opening for the DAX. So I saw this opportunity and I updated everyone on my Telegram about this, that DAX opened with a huge gap down opening and negative sentiment is confirmed. So I immediately, if you see, after checking the price action for the bank nifty, I sorted 100 quantity call option, and if you see here, the total trade was like a roller coaster ride for me. It was getting manipulated by the manipulators in the stock market. So actually the stock market actually works in this way actually. So even if the stock price have to go down, manipulators will try to hit the stop losses for the many traders, and after that it will reverse sharply. So this is actually what we have to take care of. So if you see, I entered at around this candle around 310. I entered at 310. My stop loss was around 330, and if you see, as soon as I sorted, I was in profit for 2 minutes, and after that it started reversing against my trade and it actually formed a huge wick here. As soon as it formed a wick here, I was a little bit scared that it will hit my SL, but I was not that much scared because I knew even if I lose this trade, I have only 2000 to lose in this trade, and I was quite sure I will book minimum twice of this amount. There was a confirmed negative sentiment. So guys, I would like to tell you one thing here. Whenever the US or German market crashes, our market also crashes with 80 to 90% accuracy times. So suppose on certain day a DAX or US market crashes, there is a very high probability that our market will also fall down. So I always look for this kind of opportunity, and this was the day for me. I saw the negative sentiment. Orders first. If you move to the orders, we entered at 119 and we exited at 139. So you can clearly see our entry price was 310, stop loss was 330, and our booking price was 265. So you can clearly see our SL was 20 points and we booked around 44 plus points of profit here. So clearly 1:2 risk reward was maintained in today's trade. If you see the bank nifty chart closely for the 5 minute here, let me show you one thing. After the market opened, it was in the confusion state and it was in the sideways. So for that I would like to show you previous chart as well. So after the crash, the market got support here and reversed, again took support slightly before the previous low and reversed, and it was facing resistance as this level. And if you see here, let me show you. Crash, support, again try to go upside but face the resistance, and now you can clearly see it was making a lower it was getting resistance at this level. Now after this level it got resistance for faced resistance twice at this level, then again went down. So if you see, it broke its previous swing low and the swing high was forming lower than the previous high, so it's a clear cut indication the sentiment has become negative. After that I waited for the price action. If you see, it break the low here. As soon as this low was broke after testing multiple times, so it was confirmed that the negative sentiment is in the market, but there is still one support at this level which I could not ignore. So after that I saw the price action. So I saw after reaching this level, it was, I will have to show you in zoom it a bit to show you the actual price action here. So if you see, after breaking the previous low, it actually tried to make a low here. So if you see, it broke the previous low here, moving downward, then moved upward, and again break the previous low here, then again moved down upward, then again broke the previous low. So it was clear cut indication the market is actually trying very hard to go downward. So if you see, after the huge pressure from the both sides, you can clearly see weak on the upper sides and weak on the lower side. This clearly indicates that there is pressure from both sides, but the sentiment of the market was negative for today. So I was quite sure once it falls, it will fall very quickly. So I was waiting for my opportunity, and at one price level I extremely lost faith in my today's trade, as after making the low again, it again moved upward. You can see after breaking the low, it went very high here, and I lost faith. But after making, if you see here, I will show you on the charts here. On this week, it almost missed my SL with around only 2 points, and after that, as soon as this wick formed, I shifted my SL around 25 to save my capital. Even if it has to hit the stop loss, I will give only this amount of loss. After this wick was formed and it candle is here, I immediately change my SL to this level. So now moving back to the chart here. So if you see here, it formed a high here and it break sharply here, which was very good for me. And ultimately, when it break, you can see a huge downfall, and I ultimately got my target price levels and I booked my profit immediately. So if you see overall, when a negative sentiment plus a very tight competition between the buyers and sellers means that market will move in the direction where it wants to go. And if the DAX is negative, there's hardly very less possibility for our market to go upward. So I was quite sure it will fall, but manipulators can make you hit your stop loss, and then they will go for the lower prices. So if you see here, when it formed this wick here, many traders would have hit their stop loss at this. Those who would have placed their SL at this level, their SL got hit here, and after that the market went sharply downward. So this is exactly how the stock market actually works, guys. If there is no one to lose their money, how could the stock market would work? If I am making money here, there will be someone who is losing money right now. So when the stop loss got hit, the market went down, I booked my profit at this level. So this is it for today's video, guys. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our new channel. Thanks for your support, guys, and this is it for today's video. See you next time.